Understanding nouns. Welcome to today's lecture on nouns. In this lecture, we will be discussing what nouns are, the different types of nouns, and how they are used in sentences. First, let's start with the definition of a noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, in the sentence, John went to the store to buy milk. John is a person, store is a place, and milk is a thing. These are all examples of nouns. Now, let's talk about the different types of nouns. Common nouns. Common nouns are words that refer to general people, places, or things. Examples of common nouns include dog, cat, city, and book. These nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are words that refer to specific people, places, or things. Examples of proper nouns include John, London, the Eiffel Tower, and the Bible. These nouns are always capitalized. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are words that refer to physical objects that can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. Examples of concrete nouns include chair, apple, car, and music. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are words that refer to ideas, emotions, or concepts that cannot be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. Examples of abstract nouns include love, happiness, freedom, and justice. Now, let's move on to how nouns are used in sentences. Nouns can be used as subjects, objects, and possessive forms. Subject. The subject of a sentence is the noun that performs the action of the verb. For example, in the sentence, John went to the store. John is the subject. Object. The object of a sentence is the noun that receives the action of the verb. For example, in the sentence, John bought milk at the store. Milk is the object. Possessive. The possessive form of a noun shows ownership or possession. For example, in the sentence, John's car is blue. John's shows ownership of the car. In summary, nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. They can be common or proper, concrete or abstract, and used as subjects, objects, or possessive forms in sentences. Before we wrap up this lecture, I would like to encourage all of you to like and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will stay up to date on all of our latest educational content and support our mission of making learning accessible to everyone. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.